Hello guys, I'm here in Bumaderi Wallace, a new Bumaderi, new Wallace in town. That's the place. Bagong shop dito sa Nora. Ang Bumaderi. So pick up handfuls. Ini ada basket an? Ay diretso na lang. Diretso ko na lang sa kuan. Ha? Diretso ko na lang. There's a new place. They have an oasis. So let's go inside. Open sesame. That's the inside, guys. Coconut, $350. $3.50 nila pineapple sa 90. Where's the chicken? There's a big Wallace in Bumaderi. Hello guys, dito yung bagong shop sa Bumaderi, yung bagong Wallace na open na last August. So, hanap tayo ng mga sale na bibilhin natin. So, tara. Laki-laki ng view guys. So, yan. Another hair care with the products. So, ang daming nag-sale. Sana tayo yung pang ano ng hair, shampoos, hair care. I'm looking for a cooked chicken guys. So nasaan na ba yung cooked chicken? So dami niyan. Deli, my fish. Saan na kaya yun? It's a big place to shop. So I found a lechon manok here. So $10 each. So I get one for my dinner. Finally I found it. So, there's a lot of cheese. Daming chocolates. Chocolate. Cocoa. $6 yung small. $12. Ang daming sales guys. Yan, yellow yung price tag. So, sales yan sila. Mga lotion. There you go guys. I'm going home na. So, uwi na. Oh my god. That's a sick driver. Nakakatakot. Hindi na ako na-video sa counter kasi busy na. So, kaya ayan na. Good morning guys. So, today, nandito ako sa KFC. Kuha kami ng lunch for today. So, kung napansin nyo, hindi sila pwedeng may social distancing. Ha? May social distancing dito. Yan, so limited lang ang tao sa loob, kaya halo talaga sa social distancing. KFC. Sure ba? Pumili ko. Family feast. So yan guys, so wala talaga, be quiet ngayon kasi dahil sa social distancing. So yan. So that's the KFC Bumaderi guys. Yan. At saka yun yung order namin. Family Fest. It's worth nearly $42. Yun. And that's the way KFC. KFC Bumaderi. And then my McDonald's dito, Macas. McDonald's. So hello guys, today I'm doing my vlog again. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Come right out of a box.
We're having KFC for lunch. Nilibre kami ng kaibigan namin. So look at that KFC.
Good evidence. Vlogging. Vlogging, so you got
Kainan tayo before going to work. And that's our lunch for today.
No, she's hell.
Oh, yum 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 yum. KFC. So this is for free lunch. Thank you. Hey.
Some for you. Oh, for Daddy.